how to buy Ethereum Classic on Binance crypto website. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Ethereum Classic on Binance the crypto website. First thing we do, we go to Binance. Now log into your account, and after that go here to markets, click on markets and go down, search for Ethereum Classic here, as you can see, and here is it. If you didn't find it here, just search here in the search bar and you will find it. Click on it and it will take you to this trading page. Now you have to choose the amount of Ethereum Classic that you want to buy, for example 10, and then you make sure it's on buy here, not sell. And now you will find the buy option here if you are logged in to your account, and click on it and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.